All right, guys. So this is another app I built. It's also a lead magnet app, and the what this one does is I invite people or business owners or website owners to audit their website for friction. And friction, by friction I mean a visitor lands on your website and it experiences a lot of friction in whatever the call to action is. So if you, let's say you own a local business, you want somebody to come to your website and either click to call or submit a form, right? And what this does, it's a simple audit that will a score will provide the business owner a score, and then they can take action based on that. The whole goal of this app is to get somebody to take the quiz, submit their information, and then I follow up with them and offer my help. All right, so it's a simple app that you can build in just a couple of hours. This is one of the early ones that I built, one of the first apps that I built for lead generation purposes. So as you can see, it's very, very simple. I actually offered it as a bonus when I was doing a low ticket offer, running a low ticket offer on Facebook. So in addition to the main offer, I offered access to this app. And so, in that case, what it's doing is driving up the perceived value of the low ticket offer. And it worked. I sold quite a few, I got quite a few sales from that offer. And again, the goal was to bring them in low ticket, teach them something, offer this as a bonus, and then get them to say, this is too much work for me. Why don't you just do it for me? All right, that's the goal with this type of off app in combination with a low ticket offer, to drive up the perceived value and convert some of those buyers into clients of my web design development automation business. All right, so let me show you how this works. So someone starts with, they take the quiz. Does it load under 3 seconds? Typical website or a site that's not optimized, that causes a lot of pain for the owner, is probably taking more than or about 6 seconds or more. I'm not going to explain them. I'll just go through and take the quiz, and then we'll see where we end up with. All right, and so then they enter. They need to make a change. Speed and load time 0, trust and visibility 0, mobile usability 2 out of 6, so 33%. So then it gives them a few easy wins: compress all images, display a logo, stuff like that, right? And they have these other options. So again, what I'm looking for is I'm looking to give them some easy wins, gain some trust from this, have them start like questioning how they go about fixing this, who can do it for them. In the back end, I've received an email that triggers an automation that is set up to answer any question or concern they may have around the friction of their website, right? So this is the app. This is a very, very simple one. There's no back end to it, other than the user can come back and pull up their past audit. I get an email with all the information. It goes to my CRM, and then it triggers the email sequence, again, warming them up, educating them on who I am and how I might be able to help them. All right, so if you have questions about this, want to build something like that, feel free to reach out to me. I'd be more than happy to help you out.